Hello students of class 7. So today I am going to start the next topic, that is subtraction in algebraic expression. Already we have done addition part and many students have submitted the answers. That's a very good thing. Very good. Okay, so try to send the answer so that I can correct your mistakes. So here see, this part you are studying initially, okay, so there may be some mistakes you are doing, so please send me so that I will correct your mistake, okay, the silly mistakes which we are doing. So let us start the next topic, that is subtraction of algebraic expression. See, here you have to remember one thing, the number which is going to be subtracted, that means the number which is going to be subtracted, that you have to take the number as an additive inverse. That means if the number you are subtracting is -5, then you have to take the additive inverse of it. So additive inverse of -5 will be what? +5. Okay. So the number which is going to be subtracted, you have to take the additive inverse of it and you have to proceed the simplification part. Okay. So this is the main important point you have to remember. So I am doing exercise 6.4. So while doing, I will discuss all the possibilities, okay, all the positive possibilities in case of subtraction. Okay, so see, subtract -20a from 8a. So first of all you have to make the expression. So we are subtracting this number from 8a, so you have to write 8a first, then minus, then again inside the bracket we have to write -20a. So minus will become plus. This also this is already you have you know from class 6. And also see, by this rule also you can see -20a is going to be subtracted, so you have to take the additive inverse of -20a. So additive inverse of -20a is +20a. Okay, so 8a plus 20a will be 28a. So this is the final answer. Okay, so the next question is number C. Subtract -8b from -9b. So first of all you have to write the expression. So the expression is, you have to write -9b first, then minus of, in bracket you have to write -8b. So -8b, the additive inverse of -8b is +8b. Okay, so you have to write -9b plus 8b. Now we can easily solve. See, they are unlike in sign, both the numbers are unlike. Unlike means one is in positive and other is in negative. So in this case you have to subtract. So 9 minus 8 will be 1b. Okay, 1b, and you have to put the correct symbol. That means which symbol you have to put, you have to check which one is bigger. Here 9 is bigger and before 9 we have minus sign, so we have to put minus symbol. Okay, so next question, see, similarly number h, -5axy minus plus 20axy. The statement is written, you have to subtract 20axy from -5axy. So you have to write -5axy first, then minus of, inside the bracket we have to write plus 20axy. So now again take the additive inverse of this one, okay, because this is going to be subtracted. So the additive inverse of plus 20axy will be -20axy. Okay, so see, both are same symbol, same sign, both are negative numbers. So if both are negative numbers, then we have to add. So we will add, by adding we will get 25axy, and you have to put the common sign, and the common sign is minus. Next topic is removal of brackets. So while simplifying the algebraic expression, okay, so if there is bracket, then how to solve it? So see, the first one here, a plus, inside the bracket we have b plus a minus d. Okay, so I want to take outside all the terms inside the bracket. Okay, so if I want to take outside all the terms, what we have to do? We have to open the bracket. Okay, so while you have to check one thing, that is outside the bracket, which symbol is there. Okay, so here you can see outside the bracket, before the bracket starts, here plus sign is there. So if there is a plus sign, there will be no change in the sign of the sign in the terms inside the bracket. So it is plus b, it will be plus b. It is plus a, it is plus a. It is minus d, it is minus d. Okay. So if there is plus symbol before the bracket starts, then there will be no change in sign if we open the bracket. Okay. So now after this we will collect the like terms, that is a and a plus a will be what? 2a plus b minus d. So this is the answer. Similarly, number 2, see, outside the bracket we have minus symbol. So what happen if there is a minus symbol? If there is a minus symbol, then there will be change in the sign. Suppose if there is plus inside the bracket, if there is a number which is positive, then it will become what? Negative. That means you have to take opposite of that one. So see here, this was plus b, and if I open the bracket, it will become what? Minus b. This is plus a, that's why it's become what? Minus a. Similarly, this is minus d, it will become what? Plus d. So if the minus sign is there, then what will happen? It will change all the symbol inside the bracket. It will change all the sign inside the bracket. Plus will be converted to minus and minus will be converted to plus. Okay, so finally we got this one. So we have to collect a, and a minus a will be 0. So minus b plus d. So finally we got what? Minus b plus d. There are two methods. So here it is not mentioned that you have to do by which method. So you can do by any of them. Okay, but if it is mentioned that you have to do by this method only, so you have to do in that way only. So one is horizontal method and other is column method, or you can say vertical method. So what happened in horizontal method? You have to do it in a row. Okay, that means in a line, stepwise you have to do it. So here you can see you have to subtract this algebraic expression from this. So first of all we will make the expression. Okay, so 5m square minus 9 minus, inside the bracket we will write minus 3m square plus 6m plus 3. So after opening the bracket, what will happen? See, before bracket we have minus sign, so all the symbol will get changed. So this will be plus 3m square, this will be minus 6m, and this will be minus 3. And the number which is before this minus symbol, that is 5m square minus 9, that will remain same. So 5m square minus 9 plus this. Okay, so then we will collect the like terms. So you can see the like terms are 5m square and 3m square. So we will add this one. Similarly, 9 and 3, they are constant, minus 9 and minus 3. So we will collect it. Next will be minus 6m. There is no term like 6m, so we will write like this only. So 5 plus 3 will be 8m square. This will be minus 6m, and minus 3 it will get added because both are like sign. Okay, we have to write the common symbol then. So by adding we will get 12, so it is minus 12. Similarly, see, in column method also we will get the same answer. Okay, so what we have to do, we will subtract from 5m square minus 9. So we have to write minus symbol, okay, like this. So again this expression we will write it again it is written as, this will remain same but this will change because outside the bracket is minus. So plus 3m square, this will be minus 3, this will be minus 6m. As you can see, I have to write like terms one below the other. Okay, 5m square, this is 3m square. Okay, like this is, you have to add. So 5m square, 3m square will be what? 8m square. Minus 9, minus 3, both are what? Like terms. Okay, we can say like means both are negative numbers, so we have to add them. So we can add them. 9 plus 3 will be 12, and we have to write the common sign, that is minus, then that minus 6m. So this can be written as 8m square minus 6m minus 12. That is the same answer. Okay, so you can do in any of the way. Okay, in horizontal method also you can do it, and in column method also you can do it. So see, next is number E. Subtract this algebraic expression from this. So this you have to write in first. Next is minus, inside the bracket you have to write minus 3a square plus 4ab minus 2b square. So as you can see, outside the bracket we have minus symbol, so all the symbol will get changed if we if you open the bracket. Okay, so this will be plus 3a square, this is minus 4ab, this is plus 2b square. So next we will collect the like terms. So 3a square, both are positive. So we will write 3a square plus 3a square. Next plus 4ab, next minus 4ab, okay. Next minus 3b square plus 2b square, okay, this one. So next you can see 3a square plus 3a square, both are positive, so we can easily add them. 3 plus 3 will be 6, so 6a square. Next see 4ab minus 4ab. One is in positive and other is in negative, so we have to subtract. So 4ab minus 4ab. 4 minus 4 will be what? 0. So we can also cancel it. Okay, like that way also we can do it. So minus 3b square plus 2b square. This will be what? Minus 1b square. As you can see, both are opposite in sign, so we have to subtract. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 1b square, and 3 is greater than 2. So before 3 we have minus symbol, so we have to write minus. Okay. So this is the final answer. So next you can see here in H number 20 ABC plus 12 AB square C minus 4A square BC. Okay, this is the first expression. Next, what we have to subtract? 5ABC minus 18A square BC we have to subtract from that algebraic expression. So we will write minus of 5ABC minus 18A square BC. So after opening the bracket we will get what? This is plus, so we will get minus 5ABC, and this is minus, so minus will be what? Plus. So 18A square BC. So what are like terms here? Minus 5ABC, 20ABC. We will collect this one first. So next is 18A square BC, this one. Next is minus 4A square BC, okay, this one. So what is unlike here? This is 12AB square C. So we will write like this, okay. So next we will simplify. 20 minus 5 will be 15. So 15 ABC. Next A square BC. This is same, so we can write A square BC, and plus 18 minus 4. As both sign are what? Opposite of each other, so we have to subtract. So 18 minus 4 will be 14, and we have to write plus because 18 is greater than 4, and before 18 we have plus sign. So this is plus. Then finally we will write 12 AB square C. Okay. So see, next one is K, and number K you have to subtract the second term from first term, so we have to do in column method. Okay, so that means the symbols, the sign inside the bracket will get changed. So this will be minus x square, this will be plus 5x, this will be minus 8. Okay, so next you have to simplify. So 3x square minus 1x square will be 2x square. This is plus 5x, this is minus 4x. Again you have to subtract because they are opposite. So 5 minus 4 will be 1x, or you can directly write x. Okay. So 5 is greater, before 5 we have plus symbol, so this will be plus. Minus 8 plus 6 will be minus 2. Okay. So next I am going to solve two questions from question number 3. Okay, so this is about removal of bracket, how to remove the bracket. You know about Bodmer's rule. The same rule here you have to apply. Okay, so try to see the symbol. Okay, symbol. So if outside the bracket there is minus symbol, then we have to change all the symbol if you open the bracket. Okay, so for here from question number 3 I am doing number B and F. So in number B you can see inside means we have to solve the round bracket first. So in this one is x minus 7, so they cannot be simplified further because one is variable and another is constant. So here first of all we will open the bracket. So see, outside the bracket we have minus symbol, that means all the symbol will get changed. So here before x it is plus because nothing is written, so it is plus, so it will get changed to minus. Then before 7 it is minus, so it will get changed to plus. Okay. So next you can see inside this bracket, now the innermost bracket is this curly bracket. So next we are going to solve the curly bracket. You can see inside the curly bracket we have constant numbers. Okay, we have constant, so we will add the constant. 7 plus 5 will be 12. So this will be 12 minus x. Okay, we cannot be able to simplify further. So it will be like this only. So next again we have to open the bracket. So outside the bracket you can see plus symbol is there, and if there is a plus symbol there will be no change in the sign if you open the bracket. So this will be plus 12, that means this will be plus 12, and this is minus x, this will be minus x only. Okay, so there will be no change in sign. So next we will solve this bracket, that is the last bracket, that is square bracket. So 3 plus 12, here both are constants, so we can simplify it. We will get 15. So 15 minus x. Now see, this cannot be further solved, so we have to open the bracket now. So outside the bracket, see, it is minus sign, that means we have to change the sign, okay, after opening the bracket. So this was plus 15, so it will change to minus 15, and this is minus x, it will change to plus x, okay. So 15 minus 15 will be what? 0. So the final answer will be x, okay. So next is question C, number F. So here also this expression was given. So one by one I will open the bracket, because all the bracket are round bracket. So in one step only we can open all the brackets, because see, in previous question, in this question we have 3 brackets. So one by one we have to open the bracket starting from the innermost, okay. Innermost was this round bracket, okay. But here you can see, in this particular expression we have 3 round brackets, okay. So we can solve in one step only, so we can open the bracket in one step only here. So first bracket, outside the first bracket we have plus symbol, so there will be no change in the sign, so we have to write like this only, xy minus 4x cube plus 3x minus 5, okay. So next, after this one we have second bracket, minus 3x square minus 4. So outside this bracket we have minus sign, so that means we have to change the sign after opening the bracket. So this will become plus, so plus 3x square. This will also become plus, so this will plus 4. Again the next, that is the last third bracket, okay. So before this bracket also we have minus sign, so that means we have to change the sign after opening the bracket. So minus xy, this will be minus x cube, this will be plus 4, okay. So now we are going to collect the like terms. So this is xy. So we will collect it, xy plus xy minus xy. Next, 4x cube, minus 4x cube and minus x cube. So this is the term. So next is plus 3x square plus 3x. So plus 3x square plus 3x. They are unlike, so we will write like this only, okay. So next is constant, so minus 5 plus 4 plus 4, so this is the constant. So next, see, we will simplify first this one. So you can see, you can do like this also, xy plus xy, this is 1xy, this is 1xy, that means this is 2xy. So 2xy minus xy will be 1xy. You can do like this way also, and you can do like this also. This is plus xy, this is minus xy, so this can cancel out because this will be 0, okay. Like see, 2 plus 2 minus 2 will be what? This will be 2 again, because this plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, it will become 0. So this will be 2. So like this only we can also do. So xy, then these both are same sign, okay. So we have to add this one. So 4 plus 1 will be 5, so 5x cube, and you have to put the minus sign. Next, these are unlike, so we will write like this only. 4 plus 4 will be 8, and 8 minus 5 will be 3. So this is the final algebraic expression we got from this. So please try to do the remaining question of number 3. Next is number 4, from question number 4 to 16. Okay, so this part please try to do it. They are word problem, okay. If you have any problem, I will make one video lecture, but in this particular video lecture I will not make, because it will become very large, okay. The video lecture already it is 19 minutes, okay. So try to practice it, try to do it, okay. If you have any problem, you will ask me, okay. You can ask me, and I am going to make another video lecture if your doubts are many, okay. So thank you.